So I'm sure you guys already read the title and know what's going on. The wig sale is finally here. I know a lot of you have been wrecking my brain trying to figure out when is the new date for the wig sale, but honestly I did not know. There were a few hiccups last week with the original date, things that were completely out of our control. We had to just wait for answers and to get those things fixed. Okay. Now that those things are fixed, we can go ahead and announce that the wig sale will be this Saturday, March 10th at 10 a.m. So basically it'd be the same time, same date. This wig sale still will be US only. I'll have the link directly in the description bar for you guys to go ahead and click it, add it to your browser. That way at 10 a.m. or like 9, maybe like 10 or 15 minutes before, you can kind of refresh it. And then at exactly 10 a.m. the website will open up for you guys to be able to shop. I was able to add 1 or 2 more items to it just to kind of help soften the blow of having to have you guys wait around without questions and all that. I do apologize for the confusion last week. It almost was like, okay, it's not working, it's going to be working in 10 minutes, so I can go ahead and re-announce a new time. And I was trying to stall to get answers, but I really couldn't get answers, so in the end I had to just postpone it indefinitely. So now it's here. Again, it is going to be US only. It opens up at exactly 10 a.m. So if you're on the website today, if you're on the website like a few minutes before, it's going to ask for a password. That just means it's not time yet. All of the exact details, all of the rules, all of everything will be in the description bar. Again, if you go to the website before Saturday at 10 a.m., it is going to ask for a password. I do not have a password to give you guys. That is for admin only. The website will open up exactly at 10 a.m. without any password needed. And the reason for the password now is because if you're able to see it now, that means you'll be able to shop now, which would not be fair. So we have to keep it locked until it is time for everybody to come at the exact same time. Oh, another thing. So we are using Amazon Pay to process payments. So the only thing is you will have to have an Amazon account to be able to pay. When you get to your checkout, it'll take you to Amazon. You'll log into your Amazon account and then you'll just check out as normal. Just want to let you guys know, a heads up, if you don't have an Amazon account, go ahead and make one right now. And it'll be simple and easy at 10 a.m. So happy shopping to everyone. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll try to put together a few wigs for next month that are handmade by me. There probably will only be about 4 or 5 wigs. I don't want to give you guys things that are like old in my stash. So I have a few wigs that I plan on making soon. So I probably will put those up for sale with you guys in mind. So let me know again if you guys are still interested in that. So this, just wanted to let you guys know and give you guys an update. So happy shopping. Hope you guys get the wig that you want. If not, there will be plenty more wig sales to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that description bar so that you guys can check out what's going on. And I'll see you guys in the next one.